Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I will be doing this gold sparkly sunrise kind of look, for the summer and everything. So if you would like to see how I created this look, please stay tuned. Alright guys, so as you can see, I have already done my foundation and I've baked underneath my eyes. My eyes are primed and I put a MAC. It is the Blanc type. This is a little MAC single that I put on my eyes just to give them a good base, help the primer stick to it. So I'm going to zoom you in so we can get going. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this color right here. This is called Kindness, and this is out of the My Little Pony palette by Pur. It's very, very pretty. We're going to stick with this one right here. I'm using this Morphe brush right here. It's got a little round almond top. We're just going to pack that into the center of our eyes. Okay. To help get the inner corner started, I'm going to be using the Clover palette. We're going to be going in with, where are you? Chihuahua, right here, this top kind of taupey yellow color. And put that into the inner corner. Now with this rounded out Morphe brush, I'm going to take in the Clover palette again. I'm going to take this color right here. This is called Good Boy. Oh, this palette is like awesome. It's very fun. We're going to take that. We're going to start sweeping from this way, going out. Okay. So now we're going to go back in with the brush that we used in the inner corner. And I'm actually going to take one of these. I found these recently. They're the e.l.f. Brush Cleanser Wipes. And you just tear it open like this. It almost looks like a little moist towelette. I want to say these things are like under $10. I will say they're under $10. Then you just wipe off your brush. and you get all of the gunk from the last color that you used out of your brush. Cleaning. Alright, so now you can see this. We have a clean brush here. So, let this dry for a second. We're going to take Too Faced Life's a Festival palette. We're going to go in with Fun in the Sun, just this top color right here. We're going to do that in the inner corners. Start working that in there. I'm going to take this Morphe brush and go back in with Good Boy, which is this color right here. That yellow. Looks like a big old ball of sunshine. I'll pack that in from the inner middle center of the eye. The outer, I'm going to start pushing this up into the crease and a little bit above, just so we start building up the color out here. Okay, so we're going to take that little Morphe brush and we're going to go in back in to the Life's Festival palette. We're going to drop down and we're going to use this, this color right here, which is called Demon. It looks like almost like a white lemon kind of color, and we're going to pop that in this area. Drag it down. And we're going to take it and go across the whole top, start outlining that deeper yellow part. Then I'm going to take this little flat guy right here, and I'm going to go back into the My Little Pony palette with Kindness. And I'm going to start pushing this to shape it out a little bit more. Dab a little bit of this. So this is Rarity and Kindness, and I'm going to move this and add a little bit of Rarity. Sweep that up onto the brow bone. This one. I'm going to drop down in this palette and I'm going to use this color, which is Applejack. It's like a coppery gold. I'm going to pop that right into. To get just a little more fun, we're going to make sure that this is nice and bright. I'm going to take Good Boy, which is in this palette. It's this color right here. And I'm going to just lightly put this under my eye here. So now we do the fun part, which is to wipe away all the extra fallout and the powder on my face. So I am going to do eyeliner and lashes, and I will be right back. Alright guys, so I am back. I have applied eyeliner using my Stila Stay All Day waterproof liner. And then I put on lashes, and these are Ardell Wispies. These are my favorites. You probably heard me talk about them before. I use them all the time. They're good. Okay. They're good. Good. Alright. So now we are going to contour and put some color in my face and all that. So I am going to use the Making Faces is the Kevyn Aucoin. This came out of a whole set that I recently got. And this is their contour. So you have the contour, the highlighter, and the bronzer. I don't use bronzer. It does not look good on me. So I just stay away. I do a nice natural contour and highlight. I feel like I'm good. The Pale Life. Alright, so you're going to take this brush right here, and with this top one, we're going to contour. For blush, I'm going to take Warm Soul. This is a mineralized blush by MAC. It has these really pretty gold. Oh, if I can open it, there we go. It has these really, really pretty gold flakes in it. It's kind of got that rose gold feel to it. So I'm going to take this, and I like to apply it just right above. For highlight, we're going to do something a little different because we've got all this gold going on. I'm going to go back into the Life is a Festival palette here, and I'm going to take this guy, the Beeman, which is this like nice white gold kind of color. I'm going to do my myself glow with the goldness. Okay. So then to blend it all together, I'm going to go in with the Studio Fix by MAC, and this is the NW10. I take a brush that looks like this. Blend all of this in together. To set it all down, I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Ghost Baking Powder. Stuff is $8 at Ulta. It's pretty good, I would say. I'm going to use a big fat brush like this. And for lips today, I'm going to use the Cafe au Chic, which is a MAC. This is one of those retro something or other. I will link it down below. Alright guys, so that will do it for this tutorial. I hope that you have enjoyed this. If you have, please give it a thumbs up down at the bottom. And you can also subscribe if you want to see more of me. So just hit that bell down there as well. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.